Hi guys, welcome back again. Today we will focus to understand the data-driven framework. So data-driven framework is a type of automation testing framework where test data is separated from a test script and stored externally. This allows the same test script to be executed multiple times with a different set of input data. So I am just explaining the key components or key concepts of the data-driven framework. First, data test data storage stored in external sources like Excel file, CSV file, database file, XML or JSON file. Then script reusability. One script can handle various input combination by reading data dynamically with the help of test data storage. Like uh, uh, we need to create a script in a single time, then and we can uh, enter manually data in the reading data file. Like we use CSV file, Excel file or database or XML or JSON file. And then framework components like driver script that execute test cases, data sources hold tested data, and logic to read and feed data to test script, usually through libraries or utility methods. So we have some advantage of data driven framework: reduce redundancy, easy to maintain and scalable. So I'm just focusing on reduce redundancy, means no need to write multiple script for the each test cases. Easy to maintain, data changes don't require change script change in script. Like if we need to change the data only, and we don't need to require changes in the script. Scalable, new test cases can be created just by uploading the test data file. If we want to perform the testing with different of data files, so we need to just upload and just update the test data file, and then we can test. So I am just explaining one example here. In Selenium with Java, test data is stored in Excel sheet, and the test script read the data row by row and execute the same test cases with different inputs. Here is a use case. You are testing a login page. Instead of writing 10 different scripts for a different user credential, use a data-driven approach with a loop that reads all 10 set from the Excel file and perform login test. Let me know if you want to sample code and real-time example with any tool like Selenium or JMeter. So thanks guys.